Weihenstephan, the cradle of brewing science. Just minutes from here is the oldest brewery in the world, where the brewing scientists, engineers, and brewmasters of the future are educated. This unique combination of tradition with modern research and engineering has been ongoing for over 150 years. In 1865, Dr. Karl Lindner laid the foundations for what is now the chair of Brewing and Beverage Technology with his Brauerkursus. In 1895, Weihenstephan was renamed as the Academy of Agriculture and Brewing. With the development of a research brewery and large laboratories, Weihenstephan made the transition from trade school to a progressive center of science. The next large step for the young faculty was its incorporation in 1930 into the Technische Hochschule München, which is, of course, the present-day Technical University of Munich. In 2006, major modernizations and renovations of the teaching and research brewery occurred in order to fulfill the requirements of modern research and the creation of new modern beers. In April 2009, Thomas Becker was appointed to direct the chair of Brewing and Beverage Technology, and in 2016 became the dean of the faculty. Since his appointment, Thomas Becker has been a driving force in developing TUM Weihenstephan into a center for the modern art of brewing.
Nowhere in the world where exists an older institute like this, and we educate really brewers, brewing scientists, brewing engineers from an academic background into a really scientific perspective. So at the moment, we have 3 different courses. One consecutive course, which starts with a bachelor course over 6 semesters, but normally our students go directly to the master courses. Additionally, we have a very nice Diplom Brewmaster course, and this is really very special over the whole world.
Education at the chair covers all essential components of beer preparation, from raw materials to beer filtration. Students are trained in sensory evaluation, brewing science, beverage-specific microbiology, and process engineering. The curriculum is always taught from a modern vantage point and incorporates the latest in current research results. Always important, the view into the future. Digitization, Industry 4.0, and modern technology are always treated as an essential part of the curriculum.
The Technical University is existing since 150 years. And our founder, Karl von Bauernfahrt, said he wanted to have a university which inspires the industry, the companies, with the mindset of science. And this is a mission we are following. This is exactly how we are led in our research work. We want to understand what's going on during processing, during the production of beer, really from a fundamental biological, chemical perspective, as well as from an engineering aspect.
The interaction of the raw materials with the resulting product and process properties is probably the most important component of our research activity. Keywords such as consumer expectations, product design, and biofunctionalization play just as important a role as novel process technologies and raw material requirements. The combination of 4 work groups together with 2 technical units results in the perfect symbiosis of theory and transfer into practice. The working group Raw Material-Oriented Brewing and Beverage Technology puts an emphasis on topics related to the ingredients required for brewing, specifically topics such as raw material design, breeding and process, and product interactions. A particular focus is placed on malting barley, assessment of new breeds, malting properties, and the development of requirements for a future-oriented raw material design. The research brewery provides an important interface between research and practice. The variety of brewing systems and technology available in the research brewery make it possible to work on different scales and to illustrate scale-up processes. Modern dispensing systems also make application-oriented research possible. The combination of decades of experience of previous generations with the creativity of young master brewers and engineers enables future-oriented projects. Innovative topics such as digitization and Industry 4.0 are researched and implemented in projects such as RoboFill 4.0. The work group Beverage and Grain Biotechnology Research includes the functionality of biomolecules, biotechnology, and development of methodology in the area of beverages and grains. The primary focus is on fermentation technology for the development of recombinant strains and selective protein production. Another important part of the chair is the work group Bioprocess Analytical Technology, BioPAT, and Digitization. In addition to the development of sensor systems, this work group has expertise in fluid mechanics, process control, and automation of biotechnological processes. Questions concerning things such as the properties of flours after milling and the improvement of gluten-free baking products are answered by the work group Cereal Technology and Process Engineering. This work group's investigations are not limited to the macroscopic changes in flour and pasta, but also the changes at molecular and microscopic level. Innovative techniques, such as the use of 3D printers to produce baking goods, round off the practice-oriented teaching.
And you can ask yourself, what is still to analyze? What is still really to explore when beer is concerned? But if you really look what is known, what's going on from the mechanism, from the principal behavior, it's not so much understand. You know what to do, like a cook, but you do not understand what you're doing. And so we are really going with the new equipment coming from different perspectives and directions of science. We try to use them to explore in more detail, fundamentally, what's going on during brewing process to get at the end this final beer.
Brewing and Beverage Technology here at Weihenstephan, a future-oriented chair that combines tradition and modern research to perfection.